On every solder tip, there is one part that is the hottest. Most people would presume it's the very tip, but it's actually the side, as this has a larger surface area. There will still always be one side or point that is the hottest. You can normally find this by seeing the shiniest or most tinned point of your tip, or take a little solder and find which part it melts against best. When soldering, if you're finding it hard for the solder to take, just try twisting the iron round slightly until you find the spot. Once you know where it is, you will naturally hold the iron to accommodate the angle needed for this. Ta-da!